How to make video with pictures and music in Instagram. The first thing you need to do is log into Instagram and access your account. After that, swipe to the right to get to this page, where you can upload a photo or video for the background. Next, you'll see 4 options in the top right corner, and you need to click on the second option. Then, find and select the option to add photos. In my case, it's right here, but it may be different for you. Click on this option and select the picture you want to use. You can drag them to the location you want and repeat this step for more pictures. After adding the pictures, you can adjust their placement. Then, you can add music by clicking the second option and selecting Music. From there, search for the music you want to use. Once selected, you can decide if you want only the music, add lyrics, or use other options. In my case, I'll just add the music and click Done. After that, you can make additional edits to your story or just post it to Instagram. I hope this tutorial helps you create videos with pictures and music on Instagram. And if you liked the video, give it a like and subscribe.